make milk bread. I'm starting with 1 cup of warm half and half, about 100 degrees. Gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 teaspoons of yeast. Gonna stir, set aside, give it time to bloom. Next, in a separate bowl, I'm adding 3½ cups of flour, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm going to crack 1 large egg and put ½ a cup of softened butter, 1 stick room temperature. Next, add your yeasty milk mixture and stir until dough starts to form. Next, you'll want to knead this with a stand mixer if you have it. If not, I recommend getting dough hooks for your egg beater. This is a very sticky dough and a pain in the booty to knead by hand. Knead for about 10 minutes until well incorporated and well kneaded. Then cover with cling wrap or a slightly damp kitchen towel and let rise for 1 hour. Once the dough is risen, smack the dough to reduce the extra air. Flour a clean surface and roll out dough. Put into 2 portions. Fold, roll to fit into the loaf pans, pinch the ends, then place them in greased loaf pans. You're going to want to cover the loaf pans and let proof for another hour. Before putting into the oven, do an egg wash. 1 egg, 1 tablespoon milk, mix together, then brush over the top. Put it in the preheated oven at 350 degrees for approximately 25 minutes. Once done, take out of the oven, out of the pans, and let cool on a wire rack. This Japanese milk bread is soft, flaky, melt in your mouth. This bread recipe makes great dinner rolls. The bread is soft and sweet. It would make really great French toast. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.